Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's drink is poison ivy, of course. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any videos. So I thought we'd have a little bit of fun today. This is going to be my costume if you want to see how I created her look. Tomorrow's video. All right, let's talk about, this is going to be one of the simpler, for the most part, cocktails for Halloween. So let's get started. Go through these ingredients. The first is Ciroc apple vodka. By the way, smells just like a green apple. Green apple vodka. Midori. Now Midori there is no keto version from Midori. Believe me, I have tried. For 1.5 ounces, it is 11 carbs. We are using nowhere near 1.5 ounces. It might have a little more carbs than some of my other drinks. Really the Midori and a little bit of the green sugar. That's it for the most part, okay? So although it has a little bit more in comparison to a traditional cocktail, forget about it. We're there. Lime. We're gonna need lime. We're gonna need a green apple. Again, I like playing with fun things, and if we're gonna make a fun cocktail, I've got green sugar. This is how the sugar comes, because you've seen me with colors. This is cocktail sugar. Now, let me just tell you something. This is not low carb, but you know what? You're just rimming a glass. That's all we're gonna do with this. So I'm gonna put a little bit more on here. The other ingredient is a bubbly, lime preferably. Let's get this cocktail going. Now, what glass am I gonna use? For this one, I'm gonna use a coupe glass. All right, so we've got our shaker filled with ice. Let's go. Let's rim the glass. We're gonna take a little bit of lime, and I'm gonna rim the whole glass. You can rim part of the glass, you can rim half the glass. You don't have to rim the glass at all, but once I show you this, you're gonna say, and I need to make it. Look at this. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So it's gonna sit over here and have a good time. Next, let's go. Midori, I told you we're not gonna use a lot. We are literally using only 1/2 ounce. Okay, the Ciroc, we need 1.5 ounces of Ciroc. We're gonna need about 1/2 ounce or half a lime. We need that nice citrus, and about half a lime is gonna give you 1/2 ounce. Beautiful. And you know the drill, we're gonna do a little shaky, shaky, and get it going. Let it sit here for a minute. While I do that, I am gonna cut a nice piece of green apple. Big glass, that's why I love a coupe. It's got a nice wide rim, which I love. So I'm gonna put a nice, beautiful piece of green apple, but I'm going to just dip one side, just one side. See, look how pretty. It's Halloween after all. And so we have that ready to go as our garnish. Oh, you have to love that color. Now we are gonna top with a little bubbly lime. You top with an apple. And then because poison ivy, she's the kiss of death, y'all. Right on top, a beautiful pair of lips. Can you see that? Look at that kiss. All right, you guys, you know the drill. Does it taste good? First of all, smells divine. It literally smells like a green apple. Woo! All right, let's give it a try. It's perfect. Now let me tell you something. Have I ever made this before? No. You've heard this a lot, right? Never made it before, never seen it before. But this is the second try. This was the first try, and it was missing something. And what it was missing was something as simple as an effervescent. Yes, I could have gone for a Prosecco, but in this case, no. It's beautiful. And look at those little lips just hanging out on that apple. Hanging out on that apple slice, you guys. This is delicious. All right. 3. Okay. All right, you guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, take a moment, hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, tomorrow's video is how to become poison ivy really easily. Although I may change my leaves. I don't know. I might go with a different color. I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably change my mind 100 times over. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.